Carry on. Continue this.
Sir, can you show that last question again, sir?
Yeah,
Question alone.
already. You see, Padmavarshini. Is it okay?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Tarani Pushpa, you're not understanding?
Yes, sir.
Nothing,
Okay, sir.
Tarani. You see here, they are saying that a silvery white metal X taken in the form of ribbon. Actually, only we will take a metal which is in the form of ribbon is magnesium ribbon. Is it okay, Tarani Pushpa? We'll take as a magnesium ribbon. You may heard this word, magnesium ribbon. That is why I'm taking
Sir, I can't understood D question, sir. Option D alone.
option D. What is substance Z? Name one use of domestic substance. They are saying that here, if you'll observe, when water is added to powder Y, we are actually getting what from X, we are getting Y. Now Y is dissolved in water. If we'll add in water, we used to get another substance. That another substance only. If we'll take here, Y substance is what? Magnesium oxide. If we'll dissolve in water, so both will form magnesium oxide reacting with water. It will form magnesium hydroxide. Understand,
Magnesium
Tarani?
hydroxide.
So magnesium hydroxide,
Yes,
that
sir.
is only MgOH twice, is called as MgOH twice. So now what is the one domestic use they are asking? So domestic use means household. In our house, what is the use of this magnesium hydroxide means, which will use as a antacid. If you take antacid, syrup, you may see that pink syrup and all we used to getting. Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you are getting acidity, we used to get some pink syrup, indigestion of, if you are not, food is not digesting properly, we used to take that syrup or liquid or tablet or something. So they contains magnesium hydroxide. That is the use of, that is because it is antacid, basic in nature.
Sir, the milk of magnesia, sir.
Milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is a mixture. In that, one of the substances magnesium hydroxide. Understand, Padmavarshini? Don't think that milk of magnesia is MgOH twice. Milk of magnesia is a mixture of so many substances. In that, major component is milk of magnesium hydroxide. Is it okay, ma? That is why we used to call it as milk of magnesia is also known as magnesium hydroxide. Understand, all of you?
Understood, sir.
And now I'm saying you remember, we have totally actually majorly two antacids. One is magnesium hydroxide. Next one is sodium bicarbonate. All of you remember sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. Now itself I am saying, actually it will come in next chapter, but now I am saying you sodium bicarbonate. Formula is NaH. What is the formula? Can you able to say what is the sodium bicarbonate formula? NaHCO3. NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. NaHCO3. This is the another antacid. So this is the class 10th. We have majorly these two antacids. Understanding? One is milk of magnesia, another one is NaHCO3. What is the name of this compound? I said sodium
bicarbonate.
Sodium bicarbonate. Also we used to call it as sodium hydrogen carbonate. All of you note it down. That is also most important. Keep note and you write. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. What we should call? Sodium
hydrogen carbonate.
Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
What, sir? What, sir? I cannot
Sodium
understand.
hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
So simply note. Do we want to keep this?
Note. Understand?
So this is only known as baking soda.
What?
This is only called as baking soda.
Baking soda. Okay. Baking soda, that we will study later, no issues. Second chapter we will study that. And also remember, this is the major antacids which contains, but one more thing also may contains. Most of the antacids contains at least one of the component of this milk of magnesia, means magnesium hydroxide or sodium bicarbonate. Or also remember, few antacids contains, understanding, calcium carbonate as well as aluminum hydroxide also. That is also you please kindly remember. Aluminum hydroxide or calcium carbonate. This is extremely cases. That is not under 10th class, but I am saying you. Calcium carbonate, what is the formula?
CaCO3. CaCO3.
Yeah. That is next aluminum hydroxide. What is the formula? Anybody? Let me say. Who will say first? Aluminum.
ALOH thrice.
ALOH. Very good. ALOH thrice. Very good. That is also called as antacids.
Sir, thrice or twice, sir?
Thrice. Aluminum 3 plus OH is -1. So if you
Okay, sir,
change
okay.
powers, what will come? Aluminum. That is all.
Aluminum OH.
That's all. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is nothing.
Yes, sir.
So that is all about that question. They now understand. See, that is from the basic. You should come to know everyone.
Yes, sir.
Again, one more fellow is not joined till now. I don't know who is that. Still, it is showing 17 only. So one more should join.
Totally 3 antacids.
Nitish left, sir.
4 in that for our class 10th only 2. Totally 4: calcium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, and sodium hydrogen carbonate. So in that our class 10th only 2. One is milk of magnesia. Next one is this magnesium hydroxide plus sodium hydrogen carbonate, also is to called as sodium bicarbonate. That's understand? Arya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is. So this is about it. So okay, Karthikeyan is joined. So now who is missing, Ra? Another fellow. Please check it and make them. I cannot call them every time. Nitish Kumar. Nitish is there.
Nitish, sir. Nitish.
Yes, sir.
Call Pranav. Every time when somebody is missing, you just give the information because it will take some time, some days to adjust for them also. So that is the question. Shall we go for next question now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You understanding or not? This is only called as competency based questions. So by practicing simply C plus O2 will give you CO2, we cannot understand anything. You understanding what is happening? Write the balanced equation of C plus O2 will give you CO or CO2. By balancing like that equations, we cannot understand anything. So we go for next question. Let us see next question. Next question, I am giving chance to who will answer. Pranita, can you able to answer? Come forward. You have to always eagerly waiting to answer. Can you able to answer? Next question. Next question, I am giving Dilipan as well as Pranita. Both anybody you can answer. Both. First two Dilipan will answer. Pranita will answer. Next two Dilipan will answer. Every time one boy and one girl. Okay, do it fast. All of you answer. Dilipan, Yalini, he is doing seriously or enjoying? Just simply casually.
Don't know, sir. He is in Alangudi, sir. I am in Pudukkottai.
Oh, he is Alangudi. He went to Alangudi. Mr.
Yes,
Dilipan,
sir.
you have to say what is your performance. Are you doing better or you are simply casually like 9th class? I should know the things. I need to see your progress also. Answer that question. 3 and 4 you answer. And you try to come to Pudukkottai, Dilipan. Don't stay there because I want to see your performance because Alni only will observe. If you are in Alangudi, nobody will see you. Is it okay, Dilipan?
Okay, sir.
Don't go to Alangudi every time. Maybe monthly once enough. Because if you are there, you won't study. I know very well. You come to Pudukkottai because every time she will update me either you are studying or not. Answer third question and fourth question first. Who will answer? Pranav, can you able to answer? Pranav, if it is completed, answer me fastly. Akshaya. Pranita, why? Pranita, you are taking this much time? Is it a tough question? Padmavarshini? Kevin?
Sir, X, I think copper,
Sir, copper.
Copper, sir.
One thing I will say, listen first. Padmavarshini, don't keep a second word called as I think, sir, I know, sir. That is confidently you should say. Why you are
Copper sulfate solution, sir.
The copper, sir.
not verify that
Coppers.
by reading
Copper
the
sulfate.
Then I saying that
The second one, copper
CuSO4, sir.
sulfate. Color is
Blue
blue and
precipitate, sir.
formula is
So copper sulfate has
CuSO4.
metal X forms a salt solution XSO4. The salt XSO4 forms a clear solution in water which reacts with the sodium hydroxide solution to form a blue precipitate Y. So metal X
Sodium
is used in
sulfate.
making electric wires and alloys like brass. So which metal we can use? Alloys and brass.
Sir, copper.
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 What do you think that metal X will be? Copper. Very good.
Copper,
That
sir.
is first thing. So try to understand so slowly. So copper is reacting with the sulfate, which will to form what? Copper sulfate. That's correct. So
Copper
that's what you
sulfate.
can write it. Now copper is reacting. What is the first question? Read the question carefully. They are asking. So metal X forms a salt solution XSO4. So means X is a what? And the salt XSO4 forms a clear solution in water. Clear solution in water, which reacts with the sodium hydroxide solution to form a blue precipitate Y. Blue precipitate Y. So now you tell me.
Sir,
If you take,
sodium sulfate.
wait. So copper if you take first. So copper is the XSO4. So copper is reacting with sulfate, which to form copper sulfate. So first question answer. What do you think metal X could be? What we should call?
Copper. Cu.
Copper. Is it yes or no? Copper. Now,
Yes, sir.
if you'll observe, write the name formula of color of salt XSO4. What is the copper sulfate color? Copper sulfate is XSO4. Now, what is the color of copper sulfate?
Blue color.
Blue color.
Blue
sir.
in color. That is the solution
Blue
of copper
precipitate.
sulfate color. Nitish Kumar, you make a call to Nitish Kumar. Copper sulfate color is blue in color. Now, next question. Till there it is over. Next you read. This forms the XSO4 reacting with the water, which reacts with the sodium hydroxide solution to form a blue precipitate Y, they are saying. So forget about that question. Last part you will forget it. Now if it is reacting with water, what it will form? What it will form? What is the blue precipitate Y, they are asking? What is that? Blue
Copper
precipitate.
hydroxide.
Copper
Copper
hydroxide. Very
hydroxide,
good.
sir. Yes, sir.
Copper hydroxide.
Copper hydroxide.
That is what you should remember. So what is the reaction? That reaction you write. Can you able to say that reaction? It is a reaction you write.
CuSO4 plus
First you write the
H2O.
reaction. Don't go
CuSO4.
for T. Fourth question is they are asking you to write the balanced equation. Try to write the balanced equation. Automatically third question you understand the equation. Is it yes or no? Because precipitation reaction I have already taught you this reaction. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is. So what is the balanced equation? Can you able to say?
CuSO4.
CuSO4 plus.
H2O.
They are asking what H2O not. That is what? It is reacting with what? Sodium hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide. Sodium
Ah,
hydroxide.
H2O,
Sodium
what,
hydroxide.
Padmavarshini? Sodium hydroxide. So which will form what?
CuH
Copper hydroxide.
Copper
Plus
hydroxide.
Copper
Plus
hydroxide.
plus NaSO4.
NaSO4 wrong.
Na2SO4.
Na2SO4 because sodium valency is +1, sulfate valency is -2. So that what we should get? Na2SO4. So first if we take, as we know that this is what? Double displacement reaction as well as precipitation reaction. Is it yes or no? So if we'll take CuSO4, so CSO4, it is reacting with what? CuSO4, what is the state raw? It is dissolved in water. So means in the sense of what? It is aqueous state.
Aqueous state. Aqueous state.
Aqueous state. It is
Yeah,
reacting
aqueous.
with what? A base called as. What is the base it is? Sodium hydroxide.
Sodium
What is the state of
hydroxide.
hydroxide?
Hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide also. Sodium hydroxide also.
Aqueous, sir. Aqueous.
Aqueous state only. Others also you can speak. Dina, no response. So which is to
Aqueous.
form? Product called as. What is to form? Copper hydroxide.
Copper
Copper
hydroxide.
valency is how much? Copper valency is +2. Hydroxide valency is -1. Who is to get CuOH twice? Is it yes or no? CuOH
Yes, sir.
twice. So this is only called as what? A precipitate. Precipitate ways to represent what? PPT or solid. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is PPT. Understanding? So this is called as what? PPT. So solid plus what is to come? Sodium sulfate. So what is the
Sodium
valency of sodium sulfate?
Sodium
Sulfate
sulfate.
valency is 2.
Na
So
Na2SO4.
sodium valency is +1. So that SO4 bracket 1 will come. So bracket 1 means we no need to keep that. Is it yes or no? So I can write
Yes, sir.
Na2SO4. That's all. Na2SO4. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That's this is the equation. Now, what is the precipitate here? What is the precipitate they are asking?
Sir,
What is the blue
balancing.
precipitate? Why? What is the group?
Copper
Balancing. Balancing. I think here
Copper
you have to keep
hydroxide.
2 NaOH. Is it correct? CuSO4 plus
Yes,
2
sir.
NaOH. If you keep here
Yes,
2
sir.
NaOH, everything is balanced. That's all.
Yes,
Yes. That's all. So
Yes,
now, what
sir.
is the precipitate Y here? Precipitate they are asking. Precipitate Y means what? CuOH.
Precipitate CuOH twice.
CuOH twice. Why? Because they are asking blue. Blue precipitate.
Blue
It is a
precipitation.
blue solution or blue precipitate means in the sense of what? Blue solution means copper sulfate, and blue precipitate means copper hydroxide. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anusri? See, copper, whenever copper is there, when it is in water, dissolved in water, copper sulfate solution is blue in color. When it is in precipitate, copper hydroxide color is blue in color. We have studied the precipitation
Okay.
reaction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is.
Sir.
All of you answer that. Why Nitish Kumar not joined? I hope all of you doing well, correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir, sodium sulfate.
Hmm?
It is solid only, no, sir?
Solid, that is liquid, amma. One amma precipitation reaction. One already solid is forming. Then what will form? It is aqueous solution. What Alni? Finally, you forgot everything. Precipitation
sir, no.
reaction, one solid is coming already. So means in the sense of what is another thing?
Liquid, sir.
Previous slide, Anusri, that's gone. You want that question again, Anusri? Somebody will send you. Padmavarshini, send the photo of last question to Anusri. See, this is precipitation reaction. Already we are getting one solid. Means in the sense of what? One precipitation is coming. So what is another product? Obviously, it will be aqueous solution. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write the equation. Anusri, I will send you that that PDF. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Is it completed?
One minute, sir.
Nitish, I think joined now. Nitish, you see this question, Nitish, once? I think he's not joined. Then who joined? Prasini joined, huh? Pranita, you understand this question? Nitish joined. Nitish, try to see this question carefully. If you have doubt, ask me. All of you answer. Try to write the question also, not an issue. Don't take screenshots and all. Avoid electronic gadgets. Make it hard copy. This is very better for us. Jesse, you understand this question? Any doubt?
Sir, can you send the PDF in group?
Which PDF?
Question PDF, sir.
These questions you want? Okay, I will send you.
Yes,
So
sir.
answer it. I will send you the questions in group. You no need to worry. So, but maintain hard copies. That is better from the beginning. Soft copies we don't want. Try to avoid it. Already we are seeing much time in online. We are spending much time for online classes and all. So make it hard copy. That is better for us. Arvind, you understand this question? Any doubt in this, Arvind?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Can you able to answer like these questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Then I will give one homework sum. Let me see who will send first. You have to send me first. Okay. Then we'll go for it. So the homework sum is now. This question can I delete it? Nitish, have you completed this question? Shall I to display once again? Okay. So the homework sum is you have to answer me individually. Send me the answers only. Understanding in chart. Don't send me the photography. You write the balance equation only like a chart. You send me the equation. That's all. Naming one after one. Totally it contains 5 questions. Everybody must send. Don't behave like class 9th, browsing in Google, enjoying and copying and all. Just I want perfectness. You answer. If you copy, I can understand it easily. Take the question. So you want to write, you can write, or else you can take the screenshot also, not an issue. it, all of you. So this is the question. Answer me. I think it won't take more than 5 minutes. So everybody do it with your best sincerity.
This is only homework, no, sir.
Is it okay? Completed, Ra? That's all. Thank you. Send me the answer.